Standard mouth flex straw cap fits all Hydro Flask standard mouth bottles. Straw is easy to trim to fit your favorite Hydro Flask. Flex strap is easy to transport and comfortable to carry. Honeycomb insulated cap for maximum temperature retention. Leakproof when closed so you can reliably sip and transport your refreshment without worry. BPA-Free and Toxin-Free. Removable components for easy cleaning. Dishwasher safe. Flex straw cap not intended for use with hot liquids. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome cap for an awesome water bottle. I got a 24 ounces Hydro Flask through a promotion at work which came with a standard cap. I love my Hydro Flask, but this cap made it so much better. Being able to just pop it open and closed makes it so much easier to drink, especially if you only have one hand free. The part of the nozzle you pull out to open the cap is made of a flexible rubber. This makes it easy to bite and pull open with your teeth without having it get chewed up like what can happen with a plastic nozzle. Unlike a plastic water bottle, you can't squeeze a Hydro Flask to get water out, so you have to suck the water out. There is a small one-way valve to let air in when you suck water out. The benefit of this system is that there is little or no suction back into the bottle through the drinking nozzle, which means no backwash, which I think is a big plus. Highly recommend this for anyone who uses their Hydro Flask a lot or wants to be able to use it on the go.